Pydantic AI's FastMCPToolset supports advanced multi-server configurations through declarative JSON-based setup, enabling integration of multiple MCP servers into a single agent workflow. This integration pattern demonstrates how to use FastMCP with Pydantic AI by defining multiple server processes in a configuration dictionary, abstracting server-specific execution details while maintaining a unified toolset interface. We are about to examine how a configuration object initializes two distinct MCP server processes, one using a custom uvx command and another invoking a standard Python script, before binding them to a Pydantic AI agent through the FastMCP toolset. This approach demonstrates how to orchestrate diverse MCP servers while presenting a uniform interface to the agent.
From Pydantic AI Import Agent. From Pydantic AI, Toolsets, FastMCP Import FastMCPToolset, MCP Config, MCP Servers, Time MCP Server, Command, uvx, args, MCP Run Python, std, Weather Server, Command, Python, args, MCP Server Py, Toolset equals FastMCP Toolset config, Agent equals Agent Gateway /OpenAI, GPT-5 2, Toolsets equals Toolset.
This code demonstrates advanced configuration of a FastMCP toolset with multiple MCP servers, showcasing how to integrate diverse backend services into a single agent workflow. The configuration defines two distinct MCP servers: Time MCP server using uvx with specific arguments and Weather server using a Python script. This pattern allows the agent to access multiple specialized services through a unified interface, enabling complex workflows that combine capabilities from different servers. The FastMCP toolset acts as a bridge between the Pydantic AI agent and these MCP servers, abstracting the underlying transport mechanisms. By passing this toolset to the agent during initialization, the agent gains access to all registered MCP servers as tools it can invoke. This approach provides flexibility in service composition, as servers can be added or modified without changing the agent's core logic. The configuration uses a dictionary structure to define each server's command and arguments, making it straightforward to manage multiple server configurations in a declarative way. This multi-server setup is particularly useful when building agents that need to interact with diverse data sources or computational services. The trade-off is increased complexity in configuration and potential coordination challenges between servers. However, this pattern enables better separation of concerns, as each server can focus on a specific domain like time or weather data, while the agent orchestrates their combined capabilities. The use of Gateway /OpenAI, GPT-5, 2, suggests this is designed for production-grade applications where model consistency and performance are critical. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI Import Agent.
Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI module, which serves as the primary interface for interacting with language models, LLMs, in this context.
From Pydantic AI, Toolsets, FastMCP Import FastMCPToolset.
Imports the FastMCPToolset class from the Pydantic AI, Toolsets, FastMCP module, providing access to FastMCP3 toolset functionality for model context protocol operations.
Command, uvx,
assigns the string value uvx to a key named command in what appears to be a dictionary structure. This establishes a command identifier that could be used elsewhere in the system to reference this specific operation or instruction.
args, MCP Run Python, std,
defines a dictionary key, args, with a list value containing 2 string elements, MCP run Python and stdio. This appears to be configuring command line arguments, where the first specifies a Python execution mode for MCP model context protocol, and the second indicates standard I/O handling.
Command Python
Sets the command key in a dictionary to the string value Python, indicating that Python should be used as the execution command for this configuration.
args MCP server Py
Specifies a command line argument list containing a single string MCP server, Py, which would typically be used to launch the MCP server script when this configuration is applied.
toolset equals FastMCPToolset config
Creates a FastMCPToolset, instance named toolset, using the provided MCP config as its configuration. This initializes a toolset that will contain functions the LLM can call during response generation, with the specific tools and behavior determined by the configuration object passed in.
agent equals agent gateway / OpenAI GPT-5 toolsets equals toolset
Creates an agent instance configured with the GPT-5 model through the gateway / OpenAI provider and registers a predefined toolset for the agent to use during execution. The agent will have access to the functions contained in the specified toolset parameter, which provides additional capabilities beyond the base LLM functionality. Pydantic AI's declarative FastMCP configuration pattern abstracts server-specific execution details into a clean dictionary structure for multi-server orchestration. The MCP config defines 2 distinct MCP servers, one using the custom uvx command with specific arguments for Python execution, and another invoking a standard Python script, while presenting them uniformly through the FastMCP toolset to the Pydantic AI agent. This separation of concerns allows the agent to interact with both servers through a single interface, regardless of their underlying transport mechanisms. The key insight is how Pydantic AI's FastMCP integration enables service composition without tight coupling. Each MCP server focuses on its domain, time, or weather data, while the Pydantic AI agent orchestrates their combined capabilities. The trade-off is increased configuration complexity, but the benefit is flexibility. MCP servers can be added or modified without altering the agent's core logic. By passing the configured toolset to the agent during initialization, all registered MCP servers become available as tools, creating a production-ready workflow where Pydantic AI leverages diverse backend services through a unified FastMCP interface. The use of gateway / OpenAI GPT-5 underscores this is designed for scalable, model-consistent applications.
The agent whispers to absent tools, yet the server hums back before the first note is sung.